Denmark skies are wide and clear. The summer breeze is finally here. I've got a bike and a dream to chase, rolling through this endless space. Twist the throttle, feel the flight, endless roads in golden light. New beginnings on this ride. Summer's calling, let's collide. Copenhagen's fading view, fields of green and sky so blue. Every mile I leave behind, I'm shedding skin to free my mind. Twist the throttle, feel the flight, endless roads in golden light. New beginnings on this ride. Summer's calling, let's collide. Copenhagen's fading view, fields of green and sky so blue. Every mile I leave behind, I'm shedding skin to free my mind. Twist the throttle, feel the flight, endless roads in golden. Whoa, 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 kickstand up on a Sunday morning, coffee in a paper cup, map in your hands, soft wind rolling in and off the waters. We laugh at the clouds, we've all cleared our plans. Danish summer on two wheels, shirt sleeves, sun on our backs, that's the deal. Every curve, every mile feels like we finally found what's real. Riding through the fields, through the small town steel. It's you and me and this old machine. Danish summer on two wheels. Whoa, 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 whoa. Red barns blur in the rearview mirror, church bells echo as we pass through town. Your old jean jacket snapping like a banner. We talk with our hands as the lights slow down. Danish summer on two wheels, shirt sleeves, sun on our backs, that's the deal. Every curve, every mile feels like we finally found what's real. Riding through the fields, through the small town steel. First gear, cold air, coffee in a paper cup, boots on the chair, helmet on the mirror, bugs in the chrome board, sign flashing, feels like home. I keep rolling down that Danish highway, white lines humming like a long, slow song, wind in my jacket, heart in the driveway. Every mile I'm a little more gone, just me and this machine.
fog on the hedgerows, coffee steam in the window glass, key turns, little engine laughter, road waiting like a promise at last. Red roofs in the rear view mirror, fields rolling out in slow green waves, your hand shooting through the jacket zipper, chasing something you can't name. I was born for these back roads, tiny towns and their leaning signs, 50 clicks through a sleeping village, every turn feels like a line. I keep riding with this throttle on the skin of the countryside, yeah. My whole heart leans forward every time this motorbike rides. Old man waves by the bakery doorway, floor dust all over his sleeves. Kids count helmets by the crosswalk, point and shout like they can't believe. Brick church bell in the distance, ringing out above the hum and shake. You downshift on the cobblestone corner, hear your own grin in the brakes. I was born for these back roads.
Wheels hum a song on the open road, fields of gold where the wildflowers grow. The sun dips low like it's painting the sky, a canvas of whispers as the clouds roll by. Driving through Denmark, late summer haze, lost in the rhythm of winding highways. The world feels small, but the sky's so wide. Nothing to do but enjoy the ride. Windmills spin like a dancer's twirl, coastal breeze carries salt and pearls. A village of rooftops in terracotta red, dreams of the past in the future ahead. The air smells like freedom and sweetened pine. I'm chasing the moment where time